This the latest eruption been come up, the worst one. Yeah. And fire put on, come down long, sky come down. Eruption Long Island, we play been evacuated come Long Island. Now time we play evacuated come long, yeah. Now we play stop. Some government work look me play go since 2 years time or kind of same now. Just losing me play nothing. And we play stop for some refugee lawyer now.
Time is too long. No one can survive like that with no money, no nothing, for 12 years. If you go to care centers, these people, I don't know how they're surviving, but maybe by divine providence that they're surviving. They have nothing. You know, all they eat is bananas. Food. They have only at least 1 meal a day. If it is 3 meals, it will be just portions. These people have lived to be able to resist to hunger. You know, they can survive the whole day without eating.
Land mi plus taplongin long only work lot government land. Mi plus tapol so this land inside government land and no got diwai.
Only stop pamito kay one problem lolo ya. Now ground roll and bagara finish because lo gravely karma finishes la good la fertile soil ya. So lo planning kay you must dig him some meters down and then by planting banana, taro. Ben be one so kay loy na kung gusto mas only kay bembla ba kay loy na banana so emo bla something ang big plato mas loyam kay na wara mix salt pure water so may either taste alright to mas time dust come down am sa bagarap kan wara ken lo so may plus sa plenty sick pa kam especially diarrhea dysentery sa kamapas lakantan.